In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Monzo Invoice step-by-step guide. If you run your business through Monzo, their built-in invoicing is a simple way to bill clients, keep everything in one place, and track what's been paid. Before we begin, make sure you're using a Monzo Business account and your app is up to date. That ensures you see the right options and have access to the latest features. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. Give it a second to sync so your account overview is current. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're viewing your business account so the tools we need appear. Next, head to Business Tools. Depending on your app layout, you'll find this within your business account view or under a Tools or Manage section. Tap into Business Tools, then choose Invoices. This is your hub for creating, sending, and monitoring invoices. Now create a new invoice. Tap the option to add or create and begin by selecting your customer. You can pick an existing contact or add a new one with their business name, billing address, and email. Monzo will generate an invoice number for you, but you can edit it to match your own numbering system. Set the issue date and due date according to your payment terms. Add your line items with clear descriptions, quantities, and prices. If you charge tax, select the correct rate so totals calculate accurately. You can also include notes like a purchase order number or payment instructions to make it crystal clear how and when you expect to be paid. Before you send anything, preview the invoice. This shows exactly what your customer will see. Scan for typos, confirm the customer's details, ensure the due date and totals are correct, and check that your business name and bank details are displayed as you want. If something looks off, go back and edit. It's much easier to fix now than after sending. When you're happy, send the invoice straight from the app via email, or share the secure link or PDF if you prefer. Add a clear subject line and a brief message that reiterates the due date and any important instructions. It's a good idea to send it to a monitored inbox and, if needed, copy yourself for records. Back in the Invoices area, track payments in real time. You'll see whether the invoice is sent, viewed, due, or overdue. You can nudge late invoices with a polite reminder from the app. When payment arrives, Monzo will usually match it automatically if the reference and amount align. If it doesn't, you can mark it as paid manually, save or download the paid invoice and receipt for your accounting. And that's it. Your invoice is created, sent, and tracked with Monzo.